Here we are, it's TGIF Friday. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews with a check of your 7-day forecast, and as usual we begin with the temperature trend, where the average is now at 80 degrees, and we are slowly inching our way up close to average for this time of year. Today I expect a high about 77, we will recover to about 79 mañana, and close to 80 or even above for Sunday and for Monday. 3 weather headlines for today. The skies are finally going to settle down a bit, so you'll see a little more blue than white or gray out there when you're looking up, and I heavily encourage you to look up. The temps are gradually warming up as I've covered on the temperature trend, and the next rain chance, again, looks like it's holding off until late Monday night or more likely Tuesday. The local radar, all quiet for your home state of New York. See some showers going through southern PA and Maryland and Virginia. That's part of a weather system that I'll show you in a moment, but we're still influenced by this big, dying storm in eastern Canada. And as it's going through its death throes, the wind around it throws cooler air in our direction. And of course, the clouds, which are most pronounced near it, the further one gets away from it and in our direction, the less and less effect from the clouds, and the lighter the wind becomes too, because you're not as proximate to the storm, so you're getting less and less influence. So I think at this point, with the storm dying more, and 3 or 4 days beyond the cold front, the skies will be settling down more and more to the point where we can call it mostly sunny for the next several days. This area of high pressure is a little slice of nice that's also chewing away at the moisture at the low levels and helping to increase the amount of sunshine per day now in terms of fighting the cloud cover. But you can still see the swath of clouds rotating around that center pivot point, that hubcap that's known as low pressure. But here's the other storms I'm talking about. Now, if you recall on Monday, I mentioned that it could get foul for Friday and Saturday. The computer models were indicating it could turn foul, but I'm going to stay optimistic, and I'm glad I did. But these were the 2 storms it had projected would form. They're just going to be shunted 2 hours south because the high is in between them, and so that needs room to roam. And so that's going to keep those storms to the south so we don't have to worry about it for the upcoming weekend. So what we do have to worry about are the fair weather clouds that are on the fringe of that big storm in eastern Canada. And as you look once again at the infrared satellite imagery, you're looking through the clouds at the depth of moisture now. And you can tell how deep the moisture is based on the coloring. If it's white, it's not very deep moisture. If it's light blue, a little deeper. If it's dark blue, very deep. You're into thunderstorms and torrential rain. Well, as you can see for us, we're on the edge of that system. And so we're just getting the white, which is just the fair weather clouds. So, as we go through time here, the storm slowly dies, the cool air erodes, the high building in chews up the clouds, the storms stay to our south, and there's no rain in the forecast until Tuesday. Meanwhile, how did I do yesterday? 76 was the high versus my forecast of 73. The low is very close, 51 versus 50, and it's very cool, as you can see, compared to the average at 59. 51 is very cool. 14:17 on your daylight, we lose 2 more minutes. Notice the sunrise is getting close to 6 a.m. now, and the sunset is backing up towards 8 p.m. Your forecast, if you keep it where it is, in 60 seconds.
Welcome to Intermission. Yeah, Intermission.
And you kept it where it is, so it's time for your Friday forecast. Mix of sun and clouds, delightful day. Low humidity, northeast breeze, high of 77. For tonight, partly cloudy, cool. A Fonzarelli type cool. 53 for the low. And for tomorrow, mostly sunny. We tack on a few more degrees at 79 for the forecast high. And as we go through the upcoming weekend, Sunday and Monday looking fantabulous too. 81 and 83, next chance for rain Tuesday. Some showers likely on and off throughout the day. And there'll be some unsettled air behind it so that in the afternoons, Wednesday and Thursday, you should expect one of those popcorn pop-up thunder showers as well, and cooler temperatures. That is your 7-day forecast. Thanks again for checking in. Make it a great day.